If you click this video, then your business is fixed to operate at a new high frequency. This AI tool, Semrush, is nothing short of amazing for digital marketing with 55 tools and 10 million users to date. Before we dive in, the link will be in the description to sign up. Here's to a new beginning for your business. So, 55 tools. But let's be more specific. Search engine optimization, content strategy, PPC, pay-per-click, or advertising research, and even competitive analysis. Each of these could save you endless amounts of time so you can focus on operating your business. So what is Semrush? Well, it's a platform that is a complete marketing suite all in one. And you can do this through the SEO toolkit. The reasons this tool is so good is that it analyzes to discover profitable keywords. It analyzes search volume, difficulty, and intent. It optimizes pages with its site audit, and you get actionable advice based on competitors. It analyzes backlink profiles, finds opportunities, and monitors other campaigns. It also monitors daily keyword rankings across devices to track SEO progress. So, why would you choose Semrush over any other service? Well, it gives access to their database with information that you just don't have anywhere else. Helps uncover competitor strategies, scan for 100 or more common issues with easy fixes, and even daily rank tracking and alerts for notable ranking changes. This means you will never fall behind the competition. With the Keyword Magic tool, it enables you to unlock the power of keyword research. It uses advanced filtering options and intent classification within the 22.3 billion keyword database that we had mentioned. You can discover profitable keywords with exact search volumes and competition, find long tail variations competitors might be missing, group related keywords for organized campaign planning. All this talk is exciting, but this tool does bring real results. The average increase in organic traffic is 150%. It will find 300 new keyword opportunities, and it's also 85% faster than others when it comes to the keyword research process. This arsenal also includes on-page SEO tools. It enables you to optimize every page on your site for maximum performance. It'll audit your website looking for technical issues, then provide a health score and prioritize fix recommendations. There are 3 different priorities that get fixed: high, medium, and optimization. Broken internal and external links, missing or duplicate title tags, 404 errors and redirect chains, missing meta descriptions, duplicate content issues, improper heading structure, content length optimization, internal linking opportunities, and even schema markup suggestions. And this is all on page, so it's for each individual page on your website. You're doing all of this to build authority, right? You want to build the most authority with your customer. That's why they have a link building tool. Actually, multiple link building tools. These tools can help build authority through quality backlinks. Semrush offers to analyze any domain backlink profile and referring domains. It offers to identify and disavow toxic links to protect your site from penalties. And it even finds high quality link prospects in order to streamline outreach. And yes, the link building process does also produce results. 25% average ranking boost and 300% faster prospect finding. We love results. It also offers a content marketing toolkit. Not only does this help get eyes on your website and convert, it helps create content that ranks and converts. This tool discovers trending topics and content ideas your audience wants. It helps find subtopics and headlines to inspire your content, hypothetically giving you endless content ideas. It also offers real-time feedback on SEO, readability, and tone in Google Docs and WordPress. And like you guessed, there are also results to back it up. On average, there's 200% higher content engagement. It also can help 3 times your productivity. One of the most important parts of running a business is maximizing your campaign, which is why they offer an advertising toolkit. Advertising can be very expensive, and even it could be a money pit if it's not done properly. But with Semrush's toolkit, it'll spy on competitors' strategies. It'll build profitable paid campaigns through group keywords, set negatives, and it'll even export to Google Ads for you. It'll even analyze competitors' Google shopping campaigns, product ads, and pricing strategies for e-commerce. The results for the advertising toolkit are unmatched. 40% lower CPC costs, 40% lower cost per click, and even 250% better campaign return on investment on average. 250%. Semrush also includes a ton of competitive research. This tool specifically helps learn the competition inside and out. It uses traffic analytics, Market Explorer, and gap analytics and gap analysis tools in order to achieve the perfect split of organic, paid, direct, and social traffic sources. Through its audience insights and content strategy, it offers 100 million websites already analyzed and 24/7 monitoring. Semrush also offers website audit and health. This tool helps keep your site in a perfect technical stage for search engines and UI. We all know how important UI is. You don't want people crawling up your legs. It offers comprehensive scanning to find SEO issues, broken links, and site speed problems that may hurt rankings. It provides a health score and prioritizes fixes based on impact and urgency. Again, this tool includes automated monitoring, which enables you to focus on your business operations and save loads of time. It regularly finds many critical issues like technical errors, SEO problems, and performance issues in order to achieve 50% faster site speeds, as well as 35% ranking improvements on average. So you could even do better, because we all know a healthy website is the foundation of successful search engine optimization. And how would you know how well this tool is doing without position tracking? This tool allows the user to monitor SEO success daily. If you're anything like me, you get obsessive over these things. Daily ranking updates, monitor rankings worldwide, and analyze mobile and desktop separately. The best part is being able to visualize ranking progress over time to ensure consistent results. It even notifies you of ranking changes, new competitors, and key opportunities. We all know these days you need social media in order to succeed, which is why Semrush offers social media tools. And these tools allow you to manage and optimize your social presence. You can schedule and publish content across social platforms from one dashboard. You can monitor performance with detailed analytics, engagement tracking, reach, and growth. Of course, it allows you to track competitor strategies, posting frequency, and top content. And of course, some of the average social media success statistics are as follows. On average, a 23% increase in Facebook reach, 18% increase in Instagram followers, 31% increase in Twitter engagement, and 12% increase in LinkedIn connections. So you can use these tools to streamline your social media management and maximize engagement. So now that you have access to what Semrush is and what it can help you with, let's look at the pricing plans. And if you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the bio to sign up. It's that easy. So to get started, it will be $117 per month, which gives you a basic start to what Semrush has to offer. And this is pretty much what you need in order to test it out, see if you need more. Obviously, you would want to take advantage of almost everything useful, which the Guru plan does have to offer at only $208 per month. For absolutely every tool an agency or an enterprise might need, it's $417 a month. And these prices are based on annual contracts, which is very highly recommended if you're a business and you test it out and you really do enjoy this. It saves you 20%. So Now that you know the pricing, now that you're thinking about that, who uses it? So, like we said earlier, Semrush is trusted by 10 million marketing professionals. That's a lot. And this means that, yes, it works. Digital marketing agencies, small and medium businesses, and enterprise companies. Some success stories include names like Wix, Tesla, Skyscanner, Vodafone, and 35% of the Fortune 500 companies. My question to you is, are you ready to get started? Now you know everything that Semrush has to offer, and you still haven't clicked the link in the description. What are you waiting for? Using the link will give you access to a 7-day free trial so you can test it out and to see which service you need. If you haven't already clicked the link in the description, but you made it this far, then please leave a like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns and AI exploration, because that is most likely the reason you're here. And there will be no shortage of that over here on this channel. We'll see you in the next one.